Good evening and welcome back to Kizzy's Place. Well, I'm in the RV as you can see, and some progress has been made. I am getting my workshop together, but I really came in tonight to show you this floor. The floor, I finished putting down all of those sponge tiles. It looks so good. I am so very proud of this choice. I really am. I would like to get your feedback and your opinion of it. Right here in the doorway, I thought it would take a beating right here at the step, because you know when you step in there and your feet are dirty, and it would just ruin the material. So I'll have to think of a way to put something else there to clean your feet. So if you got an idea, post it in the comments below. But the rest of it is covered with the sponge, and look how nice it looks. All the way into the hallway there. It's going to go up the steps into the bedroom and all the way into the bathroom. I haven't finished doing the bathroom because you'll have to cut around the toilet and stuff. This area where you step down from the slide out, I covered that with a strip of the material all the way down. And I was going to get a trim for that, but I didn't need to because this material here took care of everything. There are some places where the tiles did not go all the way to the edge, and this is one of those places. So I had to cut it to fit. But this material is very forgiving because it's spongy. These knobby connectors here, you know, the interlock pieces that go in and out, those pieces that go out, in some places I had to cut those off because I had to make a straight edge. But I saved all those places, all those pieces, because there were places that needed to be filled in, and all I had to do is grab one of those pieces and squeeze it right into place, and you would never know that it was patched with a piece. So that is so wonderful. In the hallway here, the material was exactly the width of this hallway. Now who would have thought that? So I was able to put 2 tiles down and do this hallway. There was really no need to cut anything. I just squeezed a few little extra pieces right around the tub and the back edge there where, you know, it didn't exactly cover, and it looks great. So I am very pleased with this material. Now here is something I just absolutely have to share. The edges of these tiles, see how it has this edge on here that comes off? See how the edges come off like that? Well, I saved all the excess edges like that I didn't need when I was installing the floor. And those edges lock together like this. Okay? So this is 2 of the edges, and they're locked together. And the cool thing about that, who would have thought that that was exactly the measurement I needed to install a trim down here. So all I had to do is take those edges, clip them together, and then install them along this edge here, the edge of the slide out. It was the perfect size. So I took some liquid nails, put it on the back of the material, and then just glued it to the edge of the slide out. And here's a shot from inside the hallway. You can see how it just looks seamless. You can't see any of the seams at all, and it's it lays down perfectly. It insulates the floor. It's easy to walk on. So many good things about it. Okay, so I'm moving forward with getting this RV up to speed, and I'll be back soon with another update.